Well, with the recommendation of quite a few people and reading good reviews, I took the plunge and bought the QuikR bike rack. I've got the 2-inch receiver model. I also bought the add-on, which will allow me to carry a second bike. And I bought the ramp as well, which helps you load heavy e-bikes. So right here I've got my just one e-bike loaded. I don't have the add-on here yet, but later on in the video I'll have both bikes loaded. The Cruiser's got only one battery in it right now. It's 105 pounds about, and with both batteries installed it'd be about 115 pounds, which is within the limit of the 120 pound capacity of this rack. Here comes a railroad track, by the way, if you want to see what it looks like going over a railroad track. It wiggles a little bit, but it seems solid to me. I stopped a few times since this is the first time I used this thing and double checked everything, and it looks good. Makes me a little nervous that this particular bike rack, unlike the one that I had, the Young Electric Soul R and the Young Electric Mate R, had a vertical pole that would come up and attach to your seat post, handlebar, crossbar, etc., and give it a little more of a, to keep it, made me feel better so that it wouldn't tip over. Although I will say that the way this rack connects to your front wheel and rear wheel with its clamps, it seems to hold really steady. So time will tell, but so far so good. So here I've got both bikes loaded at once. The Aventon Adventure 2 is on the rear, the heavier bike, the Cruiser, is in the front, and I've got the ramp there on the back too. You can see it. The ramp attaches, so it goes with you wherever you go. You don't have to carry it into your vehicle. It attaches to the bike rack itself. So the Aventon weighs about 77 pounds with the battery. So both of these bikes are well within the limit of the 120, even if I had batteries in the Aventon and both batteries in the Cruiser. Now I thought about getting the optional license plate adapter, which allows you to easily move your license plate from your vehicle to the back of your rack and back again whenever you're not using it. But I did some research and found out in Texas that that's not necessary. So in Texas, if you have a properly installed bike rack and it does cover your license plate, they will not ticket you. It's considered an exception, and it's okay. So overall, I like the rack. I will say that loading the second bike is a little difficult, especially using the ramp, because you have to lean the bike way over from the first bike that's loaded in order to clear handlebars, pedals, etc. So it could be just a learning curve for me. In fact, it was easier for me just to pick up the Aventon because it's lighter and just place it on the rack. So I like this rack and I do recommend it.